Hello?
Hi, Rahul.
I'm calling from a well-known exchange in our country. For investors like you who trade on our exchange, there is a direct offer from the exchange.
Directly from the exchange? Tell me.
For a limited period of time, we are giving this offer to a few selected investors, where our experts will be trading on your behalf.
Oh wow. What do I need to do?
You just need to deposit a small upfront margin money for the trading and also pay us a small advisory fee. Then watch how you start making big profits.
Alright, please send me the details. I'll transfer the money right away.
What's the matter, Rahul? You look really happy.
Oh yes, it's like I've hit the jackpot.
How come?
A well-known exchange in the country is offering a special deal to a few selected investors, and I'm one of them.
What offer?
The exchange's experts will trade on my behalf and earn profits for me. I only have to transfer the margin money and pay them a very small advisory fee.
Hold on. Are you absolutely sure that this call came from the exchange itself?
He seemed to be informed about my trading, so it must have been a call from the exchange.
Scammers often obtain people's personal data illegally and claim to be representatives of reputable financial institutions. Then they win over their trust, lure them in, and extort all their money.
Meaning this was a scam call?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Priya. You saved me from losing my money.
Regulated exchanges do not provide investment advices or guaranteed returns, nor do they trade on behalf of any investor. Always remember to immediately verify any such offer that claims to come from a well-known and reputable financial institution. Be smart and invest wisely.